The kookaburra is a large kingfisher native to Australia, known for its distinctive laugh-like call and bold, curious nature. Large, stocky bird, up to 45 centimeters, 18 in long. Brown and white plumage with blue wings and tail, large. Square head and distinctive black stripe through the eye. Strong, pointed beak. Eastern Australia, from Queensland to South Australia. Woodlands, forests, and urban areas. Near water sources such as rivers, lakes, and coastal regions. Omnivorous, eating insects, worms, snakes, small mammals, and fruits. Known for bold, fearless foraging. Monogamous, with pairs forming during breeding season, nesting in tree cavities or burrows.